All right, let's do another live execution. Amen. It's the full. What's good, y'all? We got another trade recap. Currently taking a trade on NQ about a 2-to-1 restore ward. Let's go over why I'm taking it. In fact, let me find a place to partial. I think I'm just gonna not partial this trade. So why am I taking it? So coming into the day, I am very bearish. Why is that? Well, we take London low, we close below it, we get a 15-minute change of the state to the downside. But I'm waiting for news before I even take a trade. So news comes out, we take the high, the data wick, and then we reject off of it. We're also rejecting off of a 1 minute, I believe, a 1 minute imbalance right here that we were previously rejecting, and we also have a SMT with ES taking this high right here, and NQ still being a lot lower. So once I see that, that's where I'm looking for an entry. And what I take it on the 30 second. On the 30 second, we were rejecting off of this imbalance right here. And then we get a 15-second inverse off this candle. So that's where I enter the trade. Stop above the range and TP on this internal low. Who knows? Maybe you could go break even at this low. I'm not. I'm confident in this trade, so I'm just gonna let it run. I'm not even gonna take partials on it because I feel like there's no place to take partials. I'm not sure. Maybe this low would be a good low to take a partial. Or how much would that be? So about 100. Yeah, that sounds good. It looks like we're about to hit it. Want to see this get respected, obviously. But this looks like it's going to be a quick trade because we're getting some decent volume. Last 2 days, the market hasn't been moving that fast, so I've been in trades for like 20 minutes. I'm usually in trade for less than 10 minutes. Almost about to go break even because the SAR indicator is telling me to go break even. And boom, risk-free trade. Nothing to worry about now. And yeah, I just gotta let this joint run. See what the market wants to do. We're inching closer and closer to that place. And ES is a lot higher in the range. Makes me more confident that my target's gonna get hit for sure, for sure. It's pretty much it's edging it. It's edging it. I'm gonna put a little bit up. Yeah, bro, it's definitely edging my limit order.
Order filled.
Boom shakalaka. Whoa! Oh my God!
Order filled.
It was a sell limit instead of a buy limit. I did not realize. Yeah. At least I made 100 on it. Well, that was a mistake. I wouldn't be opposed to a re-entry if we reach back close to my entry point. Where did I enter? I think I entered on this candle. Yeah, I just oopsie daisies. Well, let's see if I would have hit take profit. This was my entry point. I would have been at break even. So if it hits this line, that means now I'm lucky hoping it stops me out at break even. Whoa, that's crazy, bro. Had to close the trade immediately. I was in with 5 micros. Damn. I don't know. Still going down. Kind of unfortunate if this does end up hitting TP. Honestly, But if a reentry presents itself, I would not be opposed to it, of course, because the model is still playing out. But yeah, that's extremely unfortunate that that had to happen, bro. Extremely unfortunate. So it looks like we're rejecting off these order blocks right here. I don't know, that's not enough confirmation for me to want to re-enter a trade though. I feel like looks like we're getting a buy up. We created SMT with these lows. So I'm still bearish though. But yeah, it looks like a internal bullish model is playing out currently. So yeah, I would have got stopped at a break even anyway. So yeah, I'm not mad at all. Looks like we're getting some sort of rejection off of something. I think it's gonna continue higher though. It's respecting because it's respecting this imbalance right here. Alright, well, I'm probably just gonna end the video here, honestly. Um, honestly, I probably made more than I would have if I think I made more if I would have than I would have if I not had a sell limit. So maybe it was a blessing in disguise. But yeah, probably just gonna end the video here. I think the market's gonna continue higher.